In the realm of naval warfare, a silent revolution is taking place. Imagine warships armed with guns as accurate as missiles, capable of defending against drones, small boat swarms, and fast-moving threats. This is the story of the U.S. Navy's visionary pursuit of precision and power. Recently, the U.S. Navy announced a groundbreaking project in collaboration with Northrop Grumman aimed at developing a guided 57mm shell. This innovation is a response to the evolving challenges in naval warfare, and it promises to transform the way warships defend themselves. Modern naval threats encompass a range of adversaries, from drones to small boat swarms. Conventional ammunition strains resources and may not effectively counter these challenges. The solution lies in developing a shell that combines accuracy with cost efficiency. The heart of this innovation is the Mk-110 Naval Gun System, deployed on Independence-class littoral combat ships, upcoming Constellation-class frigates, and U.S. Coast Guard maritime security cutters. This game-changing shell is designed to eliminate fast-moving surface threats, drones, and swarming adversaries. Back in 2015, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency initiated MADFIRE's an initiative to enhance the effectiveness of small-caliber deck guns in modern naval combat. This project aimed to develop ammunition that could alter its trajectory in real time and engage multiple targets simultaneously. The objective was clear: reduce engagement costs while maintaining precision. Raytheon embarked on the task of developing a 57mm shell for MADFIRES, but as of 2020, Northrop Grumman took the reins. Renowned for its innovative technologies, like the Bushmaster chain gun and proximity rounds, Northrop Grumman is well-equipped for this mission. Success in this endeavor promises a significant upgrade for all ships equipped with Mk-110 gun system. For instance, the Independence-class littoral combat ships, lightly armed in the past, will now be equipped with a potent weapon to counter threats accurately. This new ammunition offers missile-like accuracy with ample rounds to spare, making it a pivotal development. The Constellation-class guided missile frigate program, scheduled for the late 2020, will be a multi-mission warship class. This shift is a response to the challenges faced by the littoral combat ship program, which suffered from technical issues and high operating costs. With advanced weaponry and the potential success of the new guided round, the U.S. Navy looks toward a future where ships can swiftly neutralize incoming threats. In the ever-evolving world of naval warfare, the U.S. Navy's pursuit of accuracy and cost efficiency stands as a testament to human innovation. The guided 57mm shell is more than just a technological leap. It's a game-changer that could reshape maritime defense and become one of the Navy's major successes. As we navigate the future, one thing is certain: the seas will be safer and more secure than ever before.